Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Kimi AI app on your Android phone. If you're looking for a powerful AI assistant but don't know how to install Kimi AI, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, grab your Android phone and open your browser. Google Chrome is recommended for the best experience. In the address bar, type Kimi AI download and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the official Kimi AI website. Once you're on the website, look for the mobile download section. On the left side of the screen, you should see a mobile icon. Tap on it, and a QR code will appear. If you're using a computer, open the website on your PC. Use your Android phone's camera or QR code scanner to scan the QR code. This will take you directly to the download page on your phone. If you're already on your phone, just tap on the download button instead. Now that you're on the Kimi AI download page, tap Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Now that Kimi AI is installed on your phone, open the Kimi AI app from your home screen. The app might ask for permissions. Tap Allow. You can now start using Kimi AI for chatting, assistance, and more. The app interface may be in Chinese, but you can explore the settings to switch the language if available. Installing apps from outside the Google Play Store can seem tricky, but as long as you download from a trusted source, it's completely safe. If you have any questions or issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.